actually really like this style. This is super cute. I would actually wear my hair like this. I think this would be like a good look for work or, you know, somewhere where you need to get a little bit dressed up. It's Mercedes and welcome back to another video. So if you know anything about me, you know I love a good protective style. So I decided to try the Invisible Locs that I've been seeing going on TikTok and YouTube. So I decided to try the style for myself. And as you can see, this is the results of that style. So if you would like to see a step-by-step on how I achieved this look, then please stay tuned. Okay, so I'm starting off with freshly washed, conditioned, and blow-dried hair. I like to blow dry my hair before I do a protective style because it just makes it so much easier to get through the protective style, like as far as parting and things like that, just making sure that the hair is really stretched. So I'm gonna go ahead and section off my hair so that I can make this process go a little bit quicker. So I'm gonna go ahead and start getting my sections squared away, and yeah. Okay, so the hard part is over. I've sectioned off all of my hair. So now I can start doing the Invisible Locs. I'm gonna go ahead and start a few before I hop back on camera to show you exactly how it's done. Okay, I am back and I only have this row to do at the top. So I figured I would come back and show you guys how I'm doing everything. So I have put some Jamaican black castor oil on my hair right here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and part my hair. I'm gonna take some of this braiding jam on my part. Then I'm going to section this part away from my face so that I can see. So for this style, there are like 2 flat twists and then like 1 twist going down. So when you have your section, you part that down the middle. And then I section off 1 part, and then I start doing the flat twist on one side. And I'm going to clip that so that it stays. And then I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. And I'm going to do the flat twist going the same way. Then I hold that. And then I take the piece of hair. I'm using the Cuban twist hair. You can either use Cuban twist or Marley hair. And then I just fluff it out a little bit and I keep it folded in half. Then I set the hair on top, and then I twist the hair with my hair in the same direction for each flat twist. Then once I have both of the sections, I just cross them over and twist down. And then I go down the length of my hair with the jam, just to make sure that my hair is staying flat. And then you will just twist your hair down to the point, you know, depending on how long or short you want them. I'm gonna stop right there, and this is what it looks like. I hope you guys can see that. And so that is the process that I have been doing through my entire head. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue to go so you guys can see the rest. So in the last clip, you guys saw me finishing off my locks and just trying to roll up the ends. And it was getting really late. Well, actually not even late. It was just getting really dark in that last clip. So I decided to just wait until the next day to show you guys the finished product so you can see my hair in better lighting. So this is what the style looks like. I have a couple of things about this hairstyle. Number one, I wish I would have used just the traditional Marley hair that I always use when I'm doing like my Marley twist, because I feel like the Cuban twist hair is a little rough, and I don't know, the look of it, it could be, I don't know, I feel like I should have just used the Marley hair. So that's thing number one. The other thing is that I should have done like smaller parting spaces to have like more twist in my hair, because I feel like there are just not that many twists in my hair. And I mean, it's not terrible. I don't know. I feel like it would look a little bit better if I had more twist in my hair. So that's the second thing. Besides that, I definitely like the style. I think it's really cute. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see. Yeah, so this is what the hair looks like. The length is not all the way like perfectly straight, each one on the same line. Like, I just didn't have the patience for that. So I tried to just keep them kind of like on the same level, but whatever, it's really not that deep. Honestly, I just prefer like my regular Marley twist, the twist that I always put in my hair, over these. At this point, this is just, you know, day one of me actually like wearing my hair. But yeah, it's cute. I mean, I like the idea of it, but I don't know if it suits me that well. But I mean, I think it's a cute style. I might try to see if there's a couple of different ways I can style this. All right, so here is style number one. It's just like a half up, half down with two pieces left out in the front. This is kind of cute. I probably wouldn't actually wear my hair like this, but I do think it's a cute look. Okay, and here is look number two. It's just like a bun. I actually really like this style. This is super cute. I would actually wear my hair like this. I think this would be like a good look for work, or, you know, somewhere where you need to get a little bit dressed up. So yeah, this is look number two. And this is look number three. Just like two ponytails going to the back with some pieces down. I think this is kind of cute. And style number four, kind of have your hair pushed back to whichever side you like with some bobby pins, and then just have the other side just kind of like pushed over. I think this is cute. Definitely something that I would wear, definitely more my style. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed some of those looks and that kind of gave you an idea of how you can style your hair with these invisible locks. But yeah, you guys feel free to wear your hair however you may like. I just wanted to give a couple of styles so you can see what you could possibly do. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you are trying to do invisible locks, I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you've done invisible locks before and used different types of hair than the Cuban twist hair and you feel like it's better, please drop the type of hair that you use below, because I might try this style again, but definitely using different hair. But yeah, that's all I have for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment box below, and be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss another upload.